Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Capture sharp, cinematic images from the heavens with the best drones. Drones are a marvel in the world of photography, allowing photographers to easily capture images from angles they've never had access to before. And they have become vital tools, especially for landscape and architecture shooters and videographers. Landing the right one requires careful research and consideration of your specific needs and budget. But in a vast sky of models, some have proven to be better than others. Your ideal drone choice is determined by skill level and budget, of course, but the top options still need to tick a few vital things off the list as well. When choosing the best drone for you, you also need to consider things like how easy and seamless it is to fly and whether it has automated modes for stable yet creative shooting. We've spent hundreds of hours testing the best drones, and we set out our favorites in the list below.
Number 3. DJI Avata.
FPV, or first-person view, drones are more niche affairs than the more sedate drones in this list, but they are a blast to fly, and the DJI Avata is the best around for beginners looking to dabble in this increasingly popular style of aerial filmmaking. Using a combination of DJI's motion controller and one of its two flavors of DJI goggles, you can fly it indoors or outside while shooting impressive 4K/60p video. Our review found one particularly frustrating design decision: the placing of a microSD card slot inside one of the Avata's blade rings. But otherwise, we found it to be impressively crash-resistant, mainly thanks to those propeller guards, and easy to fly after a few practice runs. Your main decision will be whether to go for DJI's motion controller, which sees the drone respond to your hand movements, or pay the extra for DJI's more standard FPV remote controller, $139/£139/229 Australian dollars. Traditionalists will prefer the latter, but some may find the motion pad more intuitive. Either way, you'll be able to fly the Avata around at top speeds of 60 miles per hour, while capturing some unique footage.
Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro.
The DJI Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and, in our book, best compact drone you can buy. It has a premium price tag, but the Mini 3 Pro is a huge upgrade on the Mini 2. See below if you can justify the extra cost. For the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. In our tests, the Mini 3 Pro's 12.1 MP 1/1.3-inch sensor produced excellent image quality with impressive high ISO handling. You'll find very little noise all the way up to the maximum ISO 6400, while the combination of a bright f/1.7 lens and dual native ISO tech means low-light performance is impressive for such a small drone. The drone's tridirectional obstacle avoidance worked well during testing, and we particularly liked its ability to shoot in portrait without cropping. If you can stretch to the new DJI RC controller, that's the best backpack-friendly bundle for aerial photography and video, bar none.
Number 1. DJI Mavic 3.
Looking for the most powerful compact drone around? The DJI Mavic 3 is it. This aerial powerhouse is fronted by a dual camera that mixes a large 20MP 4/3 sensor with a handy 162mm telephoto lens. The Mavic 3 fits all this in a backpack-friendly bundle we were surprised to find is somehow lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro model it's based on. Other improvements over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life, in reality, about half an hour of actual flight time, and the ability to shoot 5K/50p video or 4K/120p slow-mo footage. Upgrade to the DJI Mavic 3 Cine bundle, and you'll get 1 TB of internal storage, a very fancy DJI RC Pro controller, and the ability to shoot video in Apple ProRes 422 HQ format. A couple of big firmware updates have finally added the polish and feature set we expected to see from the Mavic 3 at launch, making it the best camera drone around for outright image quality, if not value or portability.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.